I wanted to play a retro game. I was looking for it, and then I was downloading multiple apps on my device. If you're an Android user, you can easily get one of those PlayStation Portable, or those old Nintendo and all those things. So today we're going to be unboxing a thing called Gamebox. The Gamebox is one of those Game Boy, sort of a Game Boy thing, but it is an emulator. It has up to 500 old school retro game, $14 from AliExpress. What it does actually blows your mind. It has good playback time, which we're going to go through shortly anyway. Very cheap product, but does the job. So let's unbox this one and see what's inside, and then the feature of this product as well. Let's get started. Okay, so what we're gonna get in the box is technically of the game itself. It's called Gamebox Plus. These are the specs you'll be looking for. So digital game system, 3-inch. So it has a little 3-inch LCD screen. It has a function which is you can select and send it to TV as well. So, but it's analog. It's not like HDMI. So again, it can play back on the TV. It can play anywhere. It's very powerful. It has a lithium-ion battery, which is a rechargeable. And the story of the lithium-ion, it looks exactly like it's taken out from the old school Nokia phone, and which I'm going to show you shortly anyway. It has 6 hours continuous playback time. So this out of 14, again, it could be cheaper based on what country you live in, or it could be cheaper if you go look for an eBay, Amazon, or AliExpress, or anyway, and actually you'll be able to get it. So open it, menu user manual. So user manual is show you what the button layouts is and how can you TV output, input, power, what you get inside the box. And so now again, this is the TV output I was mentioned before. So this is analog cable, so you plug it in the device, and you can I think that would be the TV output for video, and that's the audio output. If I'm not wrong, again, you can comment down below as well if I'm wrong. And this is another thing is called normal USB to micro USB cable. So again, this is how you can recharge it. You can use any power brick. And I'm going to show you the battery first. So this is the battery I was referring to. Again, watch out for this one. It might swell up later in future, but not straight away. Again, it's easy to clip in. In terms of port, you have the TV output port, so you can just plug it in straight here, obviously, and then you can take it out. And USB, use your own charging brick. It's easier. You can use your iPhone or Android, any sort of a brick, power brick, you can use it. I've used that and it works. So you got a little D-pad. They're very tactile and clicky as well. And you got a reset button, so whenever you don't feel like playing, you can reset it. Obviously you got B, Y, X, and A, and you can select and start. There's a little volume rocker on the side as well, so you can go up and down. And there's a power button, and when you power it up for the first time, this is what it's gonna grade it with. So it could be Chinese, English, and then you can select up and down. And if I want to select English, then I select that. And this is what I was talking about. Look at this. You can see up to 500 games. So when you're gonna finish, it's gonna take you forever for you to go through each and every game and play it. So look, Super Mario World 9, 10, Eggs, Billboard. So you get F1 race as well. Let's go give it a try. F1 race. So press start. Again, circuit is that. Let's go play that. Oh look, that's my acceleration. There you go. I'm on 210 or 23. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I could. Oh, not very good. Is it? That's cool. Oh, I'm beating somebody now. So you can see it's not that hard. Like if you don't want to play this one, you press R, resets. It resets itself, and again it goes back, and the front end. It's fairly simple. So this is one of the coolest game thing. If you have your nephew or anybody who wants to play a game but don't know about this type of game, trust me, it's better to share. Anyway, guys, if you like this type of video, guys, sub to the channel will be awesome. And this is Genius 6 signing out. Peace.